Watering my garden has 3 difficulties just like a video game: easy, medium, and hard. Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my garden. So easy difficulty is of course the drip system. I just have to do this, and after half an hour this, and an entire flower bed is happy. I will talk more about the benefits of the drip system at the end of this video. Medium difficulty is watering with a hose. It is not physically challenging, but it uses a lot of water and it is really time consuming. And hard difficulty is carrying buckets to the back of the garden. It is really physically challenging, uses a lot of water, and it is also really time consuming. So I hate that part. But I don't have a lot of plants in the back of the garden, so it's fine, it's doable. So today's project is extending the existing drip system to another flower bed. So I will have 2 entire flower beds on drip, and this will reduce a lot my watering time. So the flower bed on the right side of the pathway is on drip system except for that blue spruce. So I will need to extend the drip system a little bit on this side too, so the spruce will also receive water, and after that I will move to the other side of the pathway and continue there. So I will make a cut there on that part of the drip system and we'll continue it until reaching this spruce. I have a bag of these. These will help me fix the drip system in the soil. The spruce will get big, so I decided to go around twice with the drip system. Now let's test. And success! The drip system works. So let's move on to the next side. So the drip system ends there under the roses, and I will need to get it over to the other side. So I will dig under the pathway and I will add a hose without holes, so the pathway won't be watered and it will transport the water to the other side of the pathway. Okay, so it is done and it was easier than expected. I even dug under the lawn separator there, and now I have to locate the end of the drip system here. There it is. So I have here a piece of hose without any holes, and it has the exact same dimensions as the drip tubes, so it will fit perfectly. It is finally done. Let's test it. Do you hear it, you guys? It is working. Now I just need to mulch over it and we're done. So about drip systems. Back in the day when I was working for different landscaping companies, I installed lots of these for the customers and I had the experience, but I just couldn't trust them. I was under the very wrong impression that they don't deliver enough water to the plants, and last year when I installed mine in my first flower bed, I was really skeptical about it, you guys, and I just, after I watered with the drip system, I just kept watering over with the hose, and I don't know, I just couldn't trust it, but I saw it this year. I saw the difference. You saw that on one side of the pathway I had the drip system, and on the other side I was watering with a hose, and there is a big difference, you guys. I saw that the plants on the drip system are a lot bigger, and this year I didn't overwater them with a hose. I just let the drip system water them, and they are really healthy and really happy. And one more thing, when you have a drip system, I really recommend mulching over it, because it really helps keeping the moisture in the soil and it works really nicely. It is really efficient, you guys. It saves you time and a lot of water, so I really recommend it. For those who are still watching, a big thank you and happy gardening. Bye!